it's Emily. So as you can see, I have another unboxing video for you guys. So I ordered something from this company right here. My boyfriend said I got to talk to him last Sunday, and he said something over the phone about sending me something for Valentine's Day, and I was gonna do something when he comes back, like have a whole bunch of gifts for him that holidays he missed and stuff like that. But if you don't know, he's in the military. But I decided to just do something quick and to send to him now, and I'm gonna do something, you know, personalized and stuff like that. And this company, you can make pillows, you can make mugs, you can make like literally anything, and decided to do a keychain because that's something little that you can do that I can easily send to him. So yeah, I'm very excited and nervous to open this up. And if you want to see what I got him for last Valentine's Day, you can go down in the description and you can click on the video of the link. So yeah, so I'm going to open this right now. Like I said, I'm very nervous. I don't know why it came in such a big like package. And it even came from the UPS but yeah, so I got this stuff right here. I got a little like package thing. Not package thing. I got a little paper thing, that's what I meant to say. Oh, and it just has like coupons and it just tells you about it. So yeah, this company seems like a very good company. I haven't ordered anything from this yet. And then this is just to ship it back. So I'm gonna open the main thing right now. I'm nervous. So, oh my goodness, it came in a little bag. And then this is my order information of what I put in. I have a screenshot of what I ordered, but I want to show you guys this first. And I got 2 days shipping because my letters take a while for him to get it. So I wanted to get it now, ahead of time. I'm nervous to see this. I hope it's not like too big. So I can feel it. And this bag is really cute actually. So this is the bag. And it's just black on the other side. But I'm going to get closer up so you guys can see it. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So here they are. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Look at that. So this is what it is. It's like a broken heart, but like they're connecting when they're together. And this one is me. And then this one's my boyfriend, of course. But yeah, this is so cute. And I'm looking at the back. But this is the back, the keychain thingies are in the way. The back says, "You complete me," and I think it's really, really cute. And then it says, "Emily and William." So yeah, and you have the choice between, you can choose from pink or you can choose from blue. And I got blue because obviously blue is my favorite color, and I don't think Will wants a pink one. But yeah, this is so cute, and this is like a lot bigger than what I expected it to be. But yeah, this is what it is, guys. This is so cute. And so this is the one that he's gonna get. And oh, I just dropped it on the floor. This is the one that he's gonna get, and it's a picture of me. Well, the picture is from one of our prom pictures that we took together. And then aww, I messed up. Oh no, I messed up. I put my name on this one. Look, I messed up there. This one says Emily, and then this is like the one of him. And then this one of me, and it says William. And I meant to put Emily on this one. I thought like I figured, I changed the names because on like his, it said like, yeah, it said like the names wrong, so like I switched it so it would match, and I guess I shouldn't have done that. Oh no, because I put his name as number 1 and mine as number 2, and I had it like changed, but then I changed it because in the pixel, I'll get my phone real quick so you guys can see. I changed it here. I'll show you guys. So this is what it looked like when I, oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah, I did mess up. That's actually my fault. I just took notes to that. I like for his it says William, and I must have thought about that because that's of like each other like thing, like, and I must have just totally forgot about it. But these are so cute though. Aww, I should not have changed it. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I thought about that because I was like, oh, well, this one's William, so you know, and I thought, I don't know why I did that. Now I'm kind of upset, but these are super cute though. I definitely recommend this company. But yeah, this is so cute, even though I messed up on it. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. That is what I got him for Valentine's Day, and it's super cute. The kids are really gonna like this a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.